project number 2 is done. Alright, so let's move on. What's the next project on our list? Let's see. The next project will be weed whacking. What time is it? I was hoping the rain would be here by now. You ever feel that way? You just have them days you just like, oh. I'll tell you what happened yesterday is with fibromyalgia, I get, with everything going on, with the loss of my father and family stress, and stress is a very #1 drainer for people with fibromyalgia, and I think that's what's been going on with me is that I'm not sick. Even when I was at the funeral homes and doing things and meeting people and stuff, I try to stay my distance. So I know I'm not coming down with anything. By the way, if you want something to, well, I'm not saying it will prevent it, but take elderberry, a daily dose of elderberry juice or gummies. I have gummies. I cannot stand elderberry juice, but I use elderberry gummies, and I take one in the morning and one at bed before bedtime, and so that I think helps a lot. But no, with fibromyalgia, it's such a drainer, it's stress, and I think that's what's been going on with me the last couple of days. I'm just real tired, weak. My knee yesterday was killing, still is. It's not as bad today as it was. My left leg is where I tore all the ligaments back in, back in '94 is when I was in college. And I tore all the ligaments, and I was down for like 6 months, or no, 6 weeks, something like that. I don't know how long I was down. It doesn't really matter. But that knee still gives me trouble to this day, off and on. And so that's why I'm like, okay, so now it's going to rain and stuff. So I was kind of hoping it'd be started before I had to go there weed whack. Well, there's Paisley girl. Look who it is. Finally shows up when all the work's done.
Hi, everyone. I was getting my lunch for work.
Oh, that's a good excuse, Paisley girl. Whatever. All right, guys, let's move on to the next project. If I get it started. If not, I will bring you back on whatever day. Maybe this will be the end of the video. We'll see. Well, project 3 is underway. We went for a little bonfire. Well, look, I've got a good bit done today. This is a short period of time since I last saw you on the last clip. But here we are. A lot of pulling weeds or clipping trees, and I had to saw down a couple trees that were right about in there. I'll show you here on the cart. Down goes the big old tree. Down goes the old tree. Ew. Hi, Carmen. Carmen's playing with her ponies.
She needs her bath.
Yeah, she does need a bath. She's pretty dirty. But there's old gypsy girl up there. Hey, girl. Gypsy girl. Ah, there's that girl. But yeah, we said I've been got most of this done. I've been pulling rocks and stuff out of the ground before. But right about here is where I stopped yesterday. And now I've got this good bit here done. My goal is to bring you back to when I get to that tree down there, or bush, whatever that thing is right there, that big tall thing. Like I said, I'm not going to go too far over this way. I'm basically making a nice clean path, because when I do the control burn later this fall, or maybe early winter or early spring, I don't know when I'm going to do it. But right before that tree, I'm going to do a line all the way down our property, and all that will burn it this way. That way it'll come right up against the bank. That's the goal. I got to contact the local fire department, township department, and see what the policies of control burns are in this area. But that way I can get rid of all this jungle here.
I take your bath.
So if I can get rid of all this jungle here. And control burns are really good for nature itself. it replaces and it brings back a lot of good grass and gets rid of all this weeds and just stuff that's been overtaking us for so long on this property. So it'll be good for the animals in the area. So a lot of fire departments will help do a controlled burn just for that reasons.
I take a bath.
Ooh, we're in the midst of the smoke.
I take a shower.
All right. I'll bring you back on the next clip once I get down there, if it don't start raining. Well, folks, it's another day. I don't know what day. Today I've been working on this bank. We took a couple days off. Friday was the funeral, and then Saturday I just my sciatic nerve started acting up. Right down on my left side. And it's still not 100% feeling good. Okay, I'm just gonna be honest with you. But I was like, today I got to get out and do stuff. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday I didn't do anything. I mean, I did some stuff around the house, little stuff, but nothing major. But today I got out, got the wood restocked up on the porch. And like I said, I don't know what day this is on the clip, but it is Tuesday. Let's see, what is today's date? Oh, today is the 18th. Tuesday the 18th. So I thought I'd get out here and work on this bank. And as you can see, we've got a beautiful fire going. Got a nice hot fire to keep nice and nice and warm. As you can see, it's coming along. I'll bring you back after that big tree is gone. Or maybe I'll bring you back after a little bit after that. Because that'll be a stopping point for the day. I think if I can get all that knocked out, a little back, I think that'll be it. Hey, little hippies. All right. Well, I'm not outside, as you can see. It's now going on about 6 o'clock. Between lunch and taking care of a 4-year-old, but I'll show you what I got done. I'm going to take you out here. It's getting dark pretty quick on us. I thought I'd take you out here real quick and show you what I did accomplish today, which I think is pretty cool. It's not raining too bad right now. It's kind of sprinkling. It's been a cold, wet, dampy day. It's just been one of them days. It's like, ugh. All right, so little hippies, let's show you where I started at today. Just trying to think where I exactly started. All right. Okay, so I started right about in here. Look at all that. All right, so I'm sorry about the wind here, but it is very windy. It's been that way the last 2 days. But like I said, I started, I was trying to think where I started. Right about in there. I got all this knocked out. All right. Now, I have other trimming needs to be done. But as you can see, I did one heck of a job here. All the trees are down. There's a bend right about there. So there isn't that much. It looks like there's not that much. But in reality, as you can see, it goes way down there. So what you see on top, like, oh, why didn't he finish that up? Well, it's actually thicker than you think. That I have to go through. I might be working on this Thursday. Tomorrow's midweek on the other channel. I got to do midweek. Then I got to take a break, and then I'm going to mow on Thursday. Tomorrow is also a raining day, so the chances of me getting out here and doing any more today or tomorrow would be, the chances of rain is very high on Wednesday. So I always know when the pumpkin show's on, because this is the kind of weather we have at the pumpkin show. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look up Circleville Pumpkin Show. This year we're not going to be going, but usually we do go, but this year we're not going. So where you can see that is a line right there, okay? That's where water flows all year round. That over to that tree line is about where I'm going to do a burn control burn. And that will come this way, okay? So when the fire hits, it'll stop right inside this line, okay? Or at least that's the plan. But the good news is, thank gosh I didn't try to do this in the summertime. A, it'd be extremely hot. B, a lot of mosquitoes. And C, it'd be a lot thicker. With fall coming, with the fall already on, we've already had our first frost. I wouldn't say a hard freeze, but we've had a good size freeze, and the grass has started to stop growing. I'm going to do mow on Thursday, and that'll be it for the year. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I got done. I wish I had gotten it all knocked out, but it just didn't happen. So, I mean, that's the way it goes, you know. I mean, you can only do so much, you know, in a day, and especially with the days getting shorter, you know. I did hang up Old Glory today. She's been hanging, but as you can see, there's a piece of, I'm trying to see how you see the, oh, forget it. I ended up putting a small square 2x4 in there, so that way it, hang on, we're gonna get dark. Gypsy, you coming inside? Come on, girl. It's raining. Put a 2x4 up there because the it wasn't holding itself anymore. Look at that. We got the kerosene heater going. Yeah, that's how you keep. That's how Papa Bear keeps nice and toasty inside the barn. It's been a crazy, busy day. You know. Been all kinds of things that we've been doing today, you know, doing different things like hanging the flagpole, reinforcing that. Hung up a couple ghosts in the tree for the old Paisley girl. Let's see what else I did. Got the wood. Took care of Carmen. Got lunch. So I'm going to close out this video. I'm not going to keep dragging this on and on, because honestly, it could be another week and a half before I get back out there. Like I said, I have more trimming to do on Thursday, and that's priority over that bank, because the bank I can do, you know, into November if I wanted to. It won't take that long. I do need to, I will be trimming all the way, probably not all the way back to the back of the property, but I will be doing a lot of trimming in that area, towards where the wood trailer's at. Yeah, winter's coming. It's coming fast. I contacted a really nice lady. Her husband, she does the business in, and her husband has really good seasoned firewood. So in December we'll be getting firewood. I'm going to do it every other month, even throughout the summer. We're going to be doing that. That way we can really stock up on firewood. Because that is the way that is our main heating element here in this house. Now we do have fuel oil, and we can heat with that, and that's the case, you know, we get home, in case we are out about and we don't get home in time and the temperature's really plummeted. We have it set on, I think, 67, 68, something like that. So that way if it does get below 68, it kicks on, and that way no freezing happens in the house. All right. I bet you're ready to go, aren't you? This has been a long video, hasn't it? But anyways, that's enough of ranting. Like I said, tomorrow it's midweek. I'll be doing that uplifting message for all you who follow that channel, the family channel. I was thinking about it today. I got a video coming out before this one. And so I was thinking, man, we haven't really done any family videos. We've done a lot of homesteading videos, and I guess I could put some of them into the family, because technically that is the family channel. You know, I might do that. I might be doing that tomorrow. At least the video is already edited, so I just have to upload them to YouTube. Yeah, I think I might do that. Well, anyways, make sure you follow the Grant and Family YouTube channel. Oh no, this is the Grateful Rose, where Abraham said, I know. I'm just messing with you. But if you want to subscribe to that channel and go over there and see Christmas type stuff. And I know what I want to show you real quick. Mention of funny things before I show you this. It's cold outside. It's kind of feel like kind of like November a little bit. And there was a turkey pan, no lie, a tinfoil turkey pan down there, and I thought, ooh, someone must have burnt the turkey. I threw it over the bank. But check out this. I found another one. Oh, gosh, I can't remember where I found it at. It was a glass-blown fish, and it was really cool. This one's a little rougher. I first didn't know what it was because all I saw was this in the back. I only saw this. I didn't see the eyeballs or anything. It was just hanging there, and I'm like, what is that? And it's a little rough. It's a little, I guess, blown fish. Where, Mr. Fish? Are you happy to be out of the weeds? Well, yes, I am. Okay. Well, you have a good day, Mr. Fish. You too, Papa Bear. I'll see you later. Oh, there he goes. He's swimming away. I killed myself. Anyways. As we say around here, peace, love, and happiness goes out to all of you. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell so you get updates from the Paisley girl or Papa Bear. Bye! See you later! Oh no, here comes the Mr. Fish! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Ah!